Many DoorDash drivers encounter a frustrating problem where the Dasher app freezes on the map screen, preventing them from accepting orders or completing deliveries. Understanding why this happens is the first step to solving it. The stuck map screen issue affects drivers across both iOS and Android platforms. When this happens, the app becomes unresponsive, leaving drivers unable to work effectively. The most common cause is GPS signal problems. When your device has weak or inconsistent GPS signals, the app freezes while trying to establish your precise location. Cache corruption is another major factor. Accumulated temporary data can interfere with the app's normal functionality, causing it to hang on the map screen. Power management features on both iOS and Android can interrupt location services. When the system tries to save battery, it may interfere with the app's ability to maintain continuous GPS tracking. Poor network connectivity during map loading can also cause the app to freeze. When cellular or Wi-Fi connections are unstable, the map cannot load properly, leaving the app in a stuck state. Finally, insufficient device memory can cause the app to hang during map rendering. When your phone doesn't have enough RAM available, the complex map graphics cannot load properly. DoorDash is implementing more precise location tracking, which makes having a strong GPS signal even more important. Understanding these 5 main causes helps drivers identify what might be causing their specific app freezing issues. When your Dasher app gets stuck on the map screen, start with these immediate fixes that solve most issues quickly. First, force close the Dasher app completely and restart it. This clears temporary glitches that cause the map to freeze. Next, toggle your location services off and on in device settings. This refreshes the GPS connection that the app depends on. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Sometimes the app gets stuck, waiting for a network response. Enable airplane mode for 30 seconds, then disable it. This resets all network connections and often resolves connectivity issues. If quick fixes don't work, try these advanced solutions that address deeper technical issues. On Android devices, clear the app cache by going to Settings, then Apps, finding Dasher Direct, and tapping Storage followed by Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, finding Dasher Direct, and tapping Offload App. This removes the app but keeps your data. Ensure location services are properly configured for the Dasher app on both Android and iPhone devices. Finally, follow these prevention tips to avoid future freezing issues and keep your Dasher app running smoothly. Clear your app cache weekly to prevent data buildup. Keep device storage above 15% free space for optimal performance. Always maintain updated app and operating system versions, and use high-accuracy GPS mode when available. These solutions resolve most Dasher app freezing issues. Try quick fixes first, then advanced solutions if needed, and follow prevention tips to avoid future problems.